Good morning. Welcome to AI Daily Insights at 8 o'clock. Today is 2nd February 2024. I hope you all have a great day as always. Be proactive in facing challenges from all aspects and be a brave person. Let's take a look at what's happening in the AI world today. New GPT 3.5 Turbo model with lower pricing is now live. GPT 3.5 Turbo models can understand and generate natural language or code and have been optimized for chat using the Chat Completions API, but work well for non-chat tasks as well. New GPT 3.5 Turbo comes with 50% reduced input pricing, 25% reduced output pricing, along with various improvements including higher accuracy at responding in requested formats. Mark Zuckerberg discusses Meta's core competitive strategy in the field of AI, open sourcing the Vegrang. First, open-source software is typically safer and more secure, as well as more compute-efficient to operate due to all the ongoing feedback, scrutiny, and development from the community. This is a big deal because safety is one of the most important issues in AI. Efficiency improvements and lowering the compute costs also benefit everyone, including us. Second, open-source software often becomes an industry standard, and when companies standardize on building with our stack, that then becomes easier to integrate new innovations into our products. That's subtle, but the ability to learn and improve quickly is a huge advantage, and being an industry standard enables that. Third, open source is hugely popular with developers and researchers. We know that people want to work on open systems that will be widely adopted, so this helps us recruit the best people at Meta, which is a very big deal for leading in any new technology area. And again, we typically have unique data and build unique product integrations anyway. So providing infrastructure like Llama as open source doesn't reduce our main advantages. This is why our long-standing strategy has been to open source general infrastructure, and why I expect it to continue to be the right approach for us going forward. Here are a few highlights on Meta's progress in AI and how their teams are positioned to deliver on this work. We're building world-class compute infrastructure. By the end of 2024, we'll have 350K NVIDIA H100s and a total of 600K H100 equivalents worth of compute. This scale will lay a strong foundation to support training and operating future models. Combined with our ongoing investments in custom silicon designed around Meta's unique needs and inference workloads, we're also aggressively investing in new data centers with advanced designs optimized for AI compute, like the one we recently announced in Jeffersonville, IN. We're continuing our long-standing strategy to build an open-source software infrastructure. Earlier this week, we released new, more performant versions of Code Llama to the community, available under the same license as Llama 2. We believe in the power of open source to unlock innovation in the industry, while also driving benefits to our work by helping us to learn and improve quickly. With hundreds of millions of people interacting with AI services across our products, Meta has a unique opportunity to develop the most advanced AI products and services in the world by learning from one of the strongest data and feedback loops in the industry. Tim Cook confirms Apple's generative AI features are coming later this year. During Apple's quarterly earnings call, CEO Tim Cook hinted at the company's plans to introduce generative AI software features in the upcoming iOS 18 update. Cook's remarks suggest that this update will be one of the biggest in the operating system's history. While Cook did not provide specific details, his comments indicate that Apple aims to integrate AI into its software platforms, including iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. The company's move aligns with recent trends where AI software features have become a significant selling point for smartphones from competitors like Google and Samsung. Google's Bard chatbot now generates AI images with Imagen 2, taking on ChatGPT. Plus, Google's Bard chatbot, powered by the Gemini Pro large language model, now has image generation capabilities using Google's Imagen 2 text-to-image model. Despite expectations that the more powerful Gemini Ultra model would be used, it remains in development. Google has positioned Bard as a competitor to OpenAI's ChatGPT Plus, which already allows users to generate images. Bard's lack of text-to-image features gave ChatGPT Plus an advantage, but now users can access Bard's image generation for free. Additionally, Google has implemented safety measures to prevent the generation of explicit or offensive content. By the way, Google is preparing to fully rename Bard to Gemini. Google ditches Bard branding for Gemini. Across web app and phone experience unveils plans to rename Bard as Gemini. The renaming serves as a consolidation of Google's AI branding, with Gemini referring to the company's newest family of AI models. Bard is currently powered by Gemini Pro, and the anticipated Bard Advanced upgrade will run on the Gemini Ultra model. It remains to be seen what Google will do with this unique branding in the Gemini era. Microsoft Copilot for Sales and Copilot for Service are now generally available to Aero. Microsoft has launched Copilot for Sales and Copilot for Service, AI-powered tools designed to streamline business processes and improve productivity for sales and customer service professionals. These tools integrate with Microsoft 365 applications as well as popular CRM systems like Salesforce and ServiceNow. Copilot for Sales helps generate meeting briefs, summarize emails, generate relevant emails and updates, and provide real-time insights during calls. Copilot for Service allows agents to access knowledge sources, embed a Copilot in their desktop software, and integrate data from CRM systems. Early adopters have reported time savings and improved customer interactions with Copilot. Sam Altman's younger brother Jack has raised a $150 million venture fund to invest in early-stage startups through his VC firm Alt Capital. Jack Altman, brother of Sam Altman, has secured a $150 million venture fund for Alt Capital, focusing on early-stage startups in the enterprise software sector, including AI startups. The fund aims to lead or co-lead investments in startups soon after their incorporation. This comes after Jack Altman's decision to step down as CEO of Lattice, the HR startup he co-founded, to take on the role of executive chairman. Alt Capital's third fund is nearly double the size of its previous fund in 2021, continuing the fundraising success of the Altman brothers, with Max also raising his own venture fund. That's all for today's AI news. Welcome to listen and welcome to subscribe AI Daily Insights at 8 o'clock on Substack. Or subscribe to our podcast on YouTube or Spotify. I wish you a pleasant day. See you tomorrow.